In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the accent color on your Windows desktop, specifically focusing on how to show that accent color on your Start menu and Taskbar. This is a great way to personalize your computer and make it feel more like your own. Plus, it's a pretty straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First things first, let's go to your desktop. If you're not already there, minimize any open windows so that you have a clear view. It will also help you see the changes as they happen in real time. Once you have your desktop in sight, you'll want to right-click on an empty area. This is your starting point for accessing many personalization options. By right-clicking, a context menu will appear with several options, and from that menu, you'll want to select Personalize. This choice will open up the Settings app directly to the section related to personalizing your desktop, which is quite handy. Now that you're in the Personalization settings, you'll see various options on the left side of the window. These are all about customizing the look and feel of your Windows experience. Here, what we're interested in is the Colors section. Go ahead and click on Colors to access more detailed options for customizing your desktop colors. This section allows you to choose not only the overall Windows colors, but also the accent color, which adds a nice touch of personalization. Within the color settings, scroll down a bit until you see a toggle option that says Show Accent Color on Start and Taskbar. Turning this on will apply your chosen accent color to both the Start menu and Taskbar, and you'll immediately see the difference it makes. If you haven't yet chosen an accent color, you might want to experiment a little to find one that suits your taste. Picking a color that complements your wallpaper or overall theme can make your desktop look cohesive and polished. Once you've toggled this option on, you can take a moment to admire your newly personalized desktop. The changes should be visible immediately, but remember, if you want to switch things up in the future, you can always return to this area and make adjustments. And with that, you're done. Personalizing your desktop with an accent color can make a subtle yet impactful change to your daily computing experience. Thanks for watching this guide. If you found this helpful, consider exploring other personalization features, as there are numerous ways to make your computer truly your own. Enjoy your newly customized desktop.